Marami nga ang nagtatanong sa naging post ni Dominic Huangco dahil ang kanyang post ay how blessed I am to have been able to call you my sister in this lifetime. My heart is shattered. I love you forever. So marami nga nagsabi dito sa Fashion Police. Matapos nilang i-update ito, narito ang tanong ng mga netizen. Why she is the nicest? Didn't know na may sister pala siya. Kaninong mother siya? Tony Boy's first wife, Bingbing Tuason Gonzales. So akala ko kay Dennis Yabut. No, not. First wife. Wife pa din siya hanggang ngayon. Close pala siya sa half sister niya. Dennis Cuangco ang first wife ni Tony Boy. Tony Boy's first and legal wife is equestrian Dennis Yabut Cuangco. She was the daughter of former Makati Mayor Nemesio Yabut. Bingbing Gonzales was once married to Tony Boy Cuangco, who was also married to Nice Yabut but separated and is now with Gretchen Barreto. Pero eto, kinurek po ng mga netizen. Mali po yung mga presumptions dito. My first wife si Tony Boy Cuangco na ma'am nitong namatay. Then got separated legally. He then remarried to Dennis Yabut but has since separated but still technically married to her. OMG, how sad this must be for them, lalo na sa father. Ilan ang anak ng dad ni Dominic? Akala ko si Dominic lang. Same, akala ko si Dom lang, biological daughter. Yan ang say ng mga netizen. But anyway, may anak pala na isa pa, si Tony Boy Cuangco, ang partner ni Gretchen Barreto sa naging unang asawa nito, na which is very close naman kay Dominic. Ayon sa mga nag-comment sa Fashion Police, naging kaklase daw nila itong si Pat, na ngayon ay 47 years old. Well, kung ano man daw ang kinamatay, sana nga daw matanggap ito, lalong-lalo na ng pamilya, asawa at mga anak, at syempre ang amang si Tony Boy Cuangco. Say pa nila, Gretchen must be doing good as a mother. Actually, when you think about it, pasty ang older Barreto, celeb woman Marjorie, Claudine, and Gretchen, but they're all loving mothers. Swerte ng mga anak nila. At tila talagang minahal ni Gretchen pati ang anak ni Tony Boy na si Patty, na which is parang magkasama din habang lumalaki si Dominic ay nakakasama niya ang kanyang ate Patty. Well, yan ang ating showbiz snap update. Nagbibigay po kami ng buong pakikisimpatya. Inihahatid po namin sa pamilya Cuangco. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.